21. Which of the following is a factor of the polynomial 2x cubed plus 13x squared plus 5x minus 6? So for these to be a factor, x equal to 1 should make the polynomial 0, x equal to minus half, and x equal to plus half. Okay. So x equal to 1 will be 2 plus 13, 15, and 5, 20. So it's not this. X equal to 6 we'll check later. 2 into minus 1 by 8 plus 13 into 1 by 4 minus 5 by 2 minus 6. So minus 1 by 4 plus 13 by 4. So this is 3 minus 5 by 2 minus 6. Yeah, so it doesn't seem to be this. And plus 1 by 2. 2 into 1 by 8 plus 13 into 1 by 4 plus 5 by 2 minus 6. 1 by 4 plus 13 by 4 plus 10 by 4 minus 6. Yeah, so 6 minus 6, 0. Karim drove his car from his village to the city. It took him 2.5 hours to reach the city, driving at a constant speed of this. How much would he save in terms of time if he drove at a constant speed of this? Okay, so distance was time into speed, 2.5 into 60. So that's 150 kilometers. So the time he would take if he was going at 70 would be 2, 14, 10, 134, 2.14. So how much would he save? 2.5 minus 2.14, 0.36, so around A. A store did a sale on a pair of shoes. It is now for this instead of this. What is the percentage discount? Okay, so percentage discount is going to be 230 minus 103.5 by 230 into 100. So let's plug that in. 230 minus 103.5 divided by 230 into 100. So 55%. Okay. Which of the following equations represents the graph of a quadratic functions that passes through this, this, and this? So the x-intercepts are 3 and negative 4. So I can write it as x minus 3 into x plus 4. And I can find A using this point. So 5 is A, negative 1 and 6. So A is minus 5 by 6. So y is minus 5 by 6 x minus 3 into x plus 4. So minus 5 by 6 x squared minus x minus 12. So minus 5 by 6 x squared plus 5 by 6 x plus 10. Minus 5 by 6 x squared plus 5 by 6 x plus 10. Given that ht is this, what is the negative value of t if ht is 3? So 2t plus 1 by 5t squared is 3. So 2t plus 1 is 15t squared. 15t squared minus 2t minus 1 is 0. So 15t squared minus 5t plus 3t minus 1 is 0. So 5t common, 3t minus 1 plus 3t minus 1 is 0. So 5t plus 1 into 3t minus 1 is 0. So t is minus 1 by 5 or 1 by 3. So the negative value is minus 0.2. What is the sum of the values of the x and y intercepts of this function? So fx is 2x plus 3x minus 15, which is 5x minus 15. So y-intercept would be negative 15. And for x-intercept, 5x minus 15 is 0. So x is 3, right? So the sum is negative 12. Given that the solution of the equation above is 2 comma 5, what is the value of this? Okay. So 2 comma 5. So we can put this here. 2d minus 10m is minus 14, and 6d plus 30m is 78. Okay. So let's divide this equation by 3. So 2d plus 10m is 26. And then let's add this and this. So 4d is 12. So d is 3. Okay, and if d is 3, then 6 plus 10m is 26. So 10m is 20. So m is 2, right? So what is 2mx minus 3 dy? 2 into 2 into 2 minus 3 into 3 into 5. So 8 minus 45, negative 37. Patrick is twice as old as Alonso. Patrick is twice as old as Alonso. Alonso is 7 years older than Fatima. Fatima is 2 years younger than Patricia. And Patricia to Salma is 4:3. Okay. Salma is 12. So Patricia to 12 is 4:3. So Patricia is 16. If Patricia is 16, Fatima is 18. If Fatima is 18, Alonso is 25, and Patrick would then be 50. Okay, Patrick is twice as old as Alonso. Alonso is 7 older than Fatima. Fatima 2 younger than Patricia. Patricia to Salma is 4:3. Salma is 12. So Patricia is 16. If Patricia is 16, Fatima is 14. Sorry, 14. And then 21 for Alonso and 42. Yeah. Okay. The above average of the above list is 36. What is K? So K, 3K, 5K, 8K plus 4 and 2, 6 and 5, 11 and 5, 16. 1, 2, 4 is 36. So 8 by 4 into K plus 2 is 36. So K plus 2 is 18. So K is 16. The sum of three numbers is equivalent to the product of the third number. Okay, first number is A, second is B, and the third is C. Sum of the three numbers, A plus B plus C, is product of the third number and half the difference of the product of the third number and half the difference of the first two numbers. Okay. Now we have to isolate A. Okay. So A plus B plus C is CA by 2 minus BC by 2. So A minus CA by 2 is minus B minus C minus BC by 2. Right? So we have to find A, right? So A into 1 minus C by 2 is minus B minus C minus BC by 2. So let me write here. A into 2 minus C by 2 is minus 2B minus 2C minus BC by 2. This cancels. So A will be minus 2B minus 2C minus BC by 2 minus C. So if we do everything positive, 2B plus 2C plus BC by C minus 2. 30% of a number is this. 30% of X is 86.4% of 50. 30 by 100 into X is 86.4 by 100 into 50. So X is 86.4 into 50 by 30. So 0 carry 2, 3, 4, 32 by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12, 144, right? Hx is this and gx is this. What is h of minus 4? Okay. H of minus 4 is 2 times minus 4 minus 3 g of minus 4. Okay, so that's negative 8 minus 3. And g of minus 4 will be minus 12 plus 7. So minus 8 minus 3 into minus 5. Minus 8 plus 15, so 7. T and T dash are two triangles. T is a right isosceles triangle. Right isosceles triangle of hypotenuse 9 root 2. So these two sides will be 9 because these angles are 45 degrees. And T dash is a 30, 60, 90 triangle. So is that the small leg is 4. So this will be 8 and this will be 4 root 3, where this is 60 and this is 30. What is the sum of the perimeters of both triangles? Okay, so it will be 9 and 9, 18, plus 9 root 2, plus 12, plus 4 root 3. Okay, so let's plug that in. 9 root 2, 9 times root 2 is 12.73. 12.73. This is 12.73. And what is 4 root 3? 4 root 3 is 6.93. Yeah, 6.93. So the total is 18 and 12, 30, 42 and 6, 48. 0.73 plus 0.93, so 49.7. The sum of the abscissas of the intersections of the lines of the three equations is 1.6. What is the value of A? Okay, so minus 2x plus y is 1 and minus 4x plus y is 1 and ax plus y is 4. Okay. Intersection of these. Okay, so what is the intersection of these? Let's subtract them. So 2x is 0. So x is 0. Okay. The sum of the abscissas of the intersection is, okay, so let's subtract these two also. A plus 4x, a plus 4x is 3. So x is 3 by a plus 4 for these two. And a plus 2x is also 3. So x is 3 by a plus 2. So 3 by a plus 4 plus 3 by a plus 2 plus 0 is 1.6. So let me solve this. Okay, so this becomes a plus 4 plus a plus 2 is 1.6 by 3. A plus 4 into a plus 2. So 2a plus 6 is 1.6 by 3. A plus 4 into a plus 2. So a plus 3 is 0.8 by 3. A plus 4 into a plus 2. Okay, now we have to find a. Let's just put in some values. 3 plus 1, 4. So 3a plus 9 is 0.8. A plus 4 into a plus 2. Okay. Three plus 9, 12. Okay. 5 into 3, 15 into 0.8. Yeah, so 1 fits this. If 17 is subtracted from triple the sum of all integers, what is the result? Triple the sum of all integers from 1 to 44. Okay. N into n plus 1 by 2. So 44 into 45 by 2, and then 17 is subtracted. So 22, 66 into 45 minus 17. So let's plug that in. 66 into 45. This minus 17 is 2953. D. If the distance between these 2 points is this, and A is a point in the first quadrant, what is the value? Okay. So AB is square root of 6 square plus C plus 5 squared. That is 3 root 13. So 36 plus C plus 5 square is 9 into 13. So 36 plus C square plus 10C plus 25 is 117. So C square plus 10C plus 61 minus 117 minus 56 is 0, right? 14 into 4. So C square plus 14C minus 4C, 6 is 0. So C is negative 14 and 4. Now the point is in the first quadrant, so C should be positive. So C is 4. So C by 2 plus 7 is 9. Arithmetic mean of the set below is this. What is the median of this set? Okay. 3n plus 6 and 4, 10 and 11, 20, 20 divided by 4 is 7.25. So 3n plus 20 is 28.5. So 3n is 8.5. So n is 8.5 by 3. Right? Is that correct? Just let me do that again. N, 3n, 6 and 4, 10, minus 1, 9, 11, 9, 20 by 4 is 7.25. So 3n 5. No. 28 plus 1, 29. Sorry, this is 29. So this is 9. So n is 3. N is 3. So 7, 6, 11, 5. Right? So the numbers are 5, 6, 7, and 11. So the median is 6.5. Okay, Sami has a circular land of a radius 6 meters. Okay, so the radius is 6 meters. He decided to cultivate a part of this land. 1 meter squared will cost, knowing that angle DAC is 155. How much will, okay. So area of the sector is 155 by 360 into pi r squared. right? That is the, yeah, and 1 meter square will cost 79. So this many meters square will cost this into 79, right? Okay, so let's plug that in. 155 by 360. 155 by 360. Okay. That multiplied by pi into 36. That multiplied by 36 into pi, and also multiplied by 79. So multiplied by 79. So that comes to 3846.8. 3847, right? Option A. Okay, so we need to grade this. 21. 21. DACBD. B. 24 is B. Yeah, 24 is B. Okay, why is that the case? Plus 4. Yeah, this is plus x, right? So this would be negative. Yeah, so it would be B. 24 is B. 25 is DBACC. DBACC. And what about 30? BACAB. BACAB. And 35 DCCA. DCC and A.